Excellennial here, back again with Nathan the Excel novice. Today Nathan is having some trouble with his spreadsheet because the columns are now numbers. He's used to the letters and it's throwing off his production now. So how does he change the column numbers back to the letters? As you can see in his spreadsheet, the rows are numbered and so are the columns. This is called R1C1, as you can see up here in the corner. As a quick note before I change this back to the A1 style, I did want to point out that R1C1 actually stands for row 1, column 1. So you can see if I select here, column 3, still row 1, it'll change to R1C3. This can sometimes be helpful depending on how you like to write macros. Otherwise, it's a matter of preference when you're looking at your spreadsheets. For Mac, we're going to click on the Excel dropdown and Preferences. It's going to be under General, and right here we have to uncheck Use R1C1 Reference Style. And now it's all fixed. For PCs, you're going to go to File, Options, and then just under General there's going to be the Formulas section, and under that will be Working with Formulas section. Then you'll be able to uncheck the R1C1 reference style there. Now Nathan knows the quick fix to getting the numbers changed back into the alphabetic columns. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, have fun excelling.